Here's what a plumber puts in his own house. First off, I always like moen shower valves. The PosiTemp valve, in my opinion, is the best shower valve. Now moen has kind of slipped over the years, but their PosiTemp valve is still the best. I also still like to use copper to rough it in. Gives it better support. So in this one I went with the actual trim kit. However, you can change the tub spout and the shower head to whatever you want. It's just the valve that I was after. Downstairs I've got an American Standard that was already installed when we moved in. I'll give American Standard the second best. Can't beat moen though on the shower valve. Moen's other stuff, their faucets aren't great. And downstairs we've got a Mansfield toilet that was installed when we moved in. I'm not a big fan of Mansfields either. This toilet here has a terrible flush. They're an economical toilet though. Usually a lot of builders will put them in. What I like to go with is Kohler. They're a little more pricey than the low end, but they're kind of in a medium range if you stay in the medium range. And what I like that they've done, that a few companies I've gone with now, is the flush style. You can see the flush comes from the top of the bowl now, and I do find it helps keep the toilet cleaner, and you do get a lot better flush out of it. A+ Kohler. Now, when we moved in, there was PEX B installed. I'm not a big fan of PEX B at all. It's cheap, it's economic. I do like copper best, but I do use Wurzbo, and it's time. Time's the biggest reason I use Wurzbo. I do like copper better, but it is what it is. I have a time crunch as well. And outside you can see they've installed a shark bite fitting that just comes through the brick. So follow for more as we put in an outside tap in the next video. Thanks for watching.